Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to try to make a Ren Fair outfit. Today I wanted to combine my fairy look and my pink mushroom look into one fairy mushroom look. And I've got lots of things that could work, but I really want to try it all out to make it cohesive and cool. There's a little bit of purple and blue on the wings that I want to pull into the mushroom outfit itself. So I've got a couple different options and I'm gonna walk you through what I'm thinking. Okay, so I've got a couple things pulled out and I think I wanna use these skirt pieces right here, one of these bodices, and then maybe my original mushroom dress. I don't know, I love this one, but I have this fairy dress that I got off of Amazon a while back that I think would give more of that whimsical look. So I'm gonna try that one on first with these skirts and see how it looks. So I got my base dress on and the layered skirts. I put the hot pink lacy one under, then the purple belly dancer one, and then the lacy kind of fairy skirt on top. I think that looks pretty good. Now the question is which bodice. I think I'm gonna try my pink sparkly bodice on top and see if that works with this combination. I'm not 100% sold on the purple though. I kind of wish it was a lighter color. Okay, so I've got the pink bodice part on and I think it is looking really, really well. It almost blends into the underdress. I am so happy with how that looks. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? I'm still not totally a fan of the purple, but if I cover it up well with the pink petals and have it just shimmering through the white ones, I think it looks pretty cute. I just wanted that bounce of color in there so it wasn't completely pink. So the big issue, jewelry. I have so many amazing pieces and I really want to use my mushroom, but it's just not working and I don't really have another cord to switch it out with. Maybe before the Renaissance Fair I will be able to get one, but I think for now this one is calling me, but I also really like this one because it's pastels. So I think I'm gonna try out my pastels first. Okay, yeah, the little pastel necklace is what I'm gonna go with for now. It might change when I actually wear this to the fair, but we'll see. For now, I think that's really, really cute. I think I wanna wear a wig with the outfit, but I don't think this pink one matches. I think I need just a blonde to really complement the colors that we got going on. So I'm gonna dig for a couple blonde wigs. I have this blonde lace front wig and I think this would work really, really well, even though you're not gonna see the lace front part of it with the hat on. I think I'm gonna try this one on. Okay, this is the wig on with the outfit. I think it is matching pretty well. I really like that. Obviously, I need a brighter lip color to make it look like I have lips. But I think I'm gonna try adding some elf ears to kind of break up the wig and make it a little bit more fairy. Okay, I forgot I got these the first weekend of the fair this year, so I'm gonna add these. I don't know if you'll be able to see the ears, but I have them on and I'm not sure if it's actually adding anything to the look, but we'll see once I put the hat on. So I've got the wings on and the hat, but the ears are not doing it, so I gotta take these off. But I think minus the ears, after I can adjust the hat a little bit more, it's working. I think this is actually really, really cute. It's a great combination of my two outfits. I'm gonna show you how it would look with my belt on now, because the belt is a huge part of Ren Fair looks and I have the perfect one to go with this outfit. So I'm probably gonna have to punch a couple extra holes because it's just a tiny bit too loose, but look at that, it's sparkly, it matches the vibe, and I think this outfit is perfect. I'm gonna do a little bit of mushroom makeup so that you guys get the full effect, and maybe actually switch out this necklace. I don't think it's the vibe anymore. It is time for the big reveal. What do we think? I am obsessed. I think the little mushroom makeup that I did is perfect. Yes, it's not super excessive I would probably wear to the fair, but are you kidding me? This is So cute. The purple is actually really matching now, and it's breaking up the pink really well. I love this bodice with it. I love the wings. I think I am going to try to get another chain for my little mushroom pendant and try to get that incorporated in this look. But we'll see if I have time because I kind of want to wear it this weekend. I'm filming this video on a Wednesday, so we'll see if we have time. Look at that, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. I hope this helped y'all figure out how to prepare your outfit for the Ren Fair. It really is a lot of trial and error. I had planned out a similar version of this, but this is definitely not what I expected to go with. But yeah, I am so happy with how it turned out. I hope to see y'all at the Ren Fair this year, and have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Bye.
I want to take a quick second to thank my patrons, Louis, John, and Mondo. Thank you so much.